YouTube. So I just started this hike like 5 minutes ago and I'm already out of breath. But for my excuse, I am currently on my period, so kind of have an excuse. I'll show you guys how the trail looks from my view right now. It's like a 4 point something mile hike. I'll link the stats down below. And it was about 1.5 hours away from where I live. There's a couple of cars back there, like 4 cars including mine. Leads to a waterfall. Wow. Knife right there. We got the bear mace down there. We got the micro spikes in the back too. Anyways, happy Sunday. Trying to decide if I should put on my micro spikes or not because there's like ice fields, but then they stop. So the snow doesn't feel too slippery, so I think I'll weather through. If it starts getting worse, I'll put on my spikes. Oh, it's starting to get slippery. What a difference do spikes make. Like, best invention ever, dog. Well, now I guess we'll keep them on. You guys, just look at that light. Wow, it's so pretty. I've got all the essentials: micro spikes, knife, bear mace. I think I'm pretty safe out here. I don't always worry about animals, but the one thing I do worry about is people. I see too many criminal shows. Wow, you guys. The trees are huge. Like, the camera on my iPhone doesn't do these trees justice. I mean, they're so big. Seven minutes in. We're almost to Lake Anne, but I think right here I'm gonna have to wear my micro spikes. Yeah, I'm gonna throw them on right now, sit down here, and catch you guys later in a bit. Whew. It's like a little stream down there. Cute. I'm too lazy to take off my spikes, so I don't risk them because there's another ice patch over there. I believe that's Lake Anne, but it's like frozen over. Whew. That was deep snow. Oh. Isn't that so beautiful? Don't mind the pimple, you guys. No, it's not a cold sore. It's a whitehead. I popped it last night. And yeah, I mean, I don't think it's a cold sore. the spikes on, got the gaiters, and we're gonna go. So thankful for the micro spikes. Anyways, I just saw, I've only seen two people. A lady, she was already leaving, and I was going, saw her, just ran into a gentleman, and we were just saying how beautiful it was, and that there was a lot of snow up there, and a lot of it open. But if I had my spikes on, I'd be okay. I'm really glad I didn't take all the spikes over there because it's been nothing but ice patch fields. My back hurts, you guys. I fell down yesterday. Have to be very careful here, you guys. Don't want to imagine if there was spikes around here. I mean, if there was snow around here. Fuck, you guys. Ugh. You guys see what I mean? I always hold on to the little tree branches just in case I go tumbling. I have something to hold on to. Oh my god, you guys, this is not gonna be cool coming back up. Oh my god. I am so glad I didn't turn around. Oh my god. You guys, sorry I'm not paying attention to what I'm recording because I'm trying to stay alive while you guys get to enjoy the view. Oh my lord. Oh my god, you guys, that looks so horrible. Sorry, but it is what it is. Was it worth it? Fuck yeah. Get out of here. There's another waterfall down there, but we can't see it. Wow. Hey, you guys, to say that I'm super happy and super ecstatic is such a big understatement. God, these views are just so... They are so beautiful. Like, what is that? I have to get closer, also it does not count. Those are the views over there. Wow, that's so beautiful. All of that is frozen eyes, you guys. You guys can see it. Okay, you guys, I'm only giving myself about 10 minutes before we leave because it's getting late and I do not want to be out here with not a lot of people here. But these are some of the views. A glacier, or not a glacier, but ice, a Le Carbo, and that whitehead. Disgusting. Everybody say hi to the whitehead. Hi, whitehead. Wow. My advice to people wanting to hike by themselves, especially females, is do it alone. Don't wait on people and don't be scared to try something new. Get equipped. Satellite? Well, that scared me. That noise, did you guys hear that call? Holy shit, it's so strong. Get yourself equipment, knife, bear mace, a pew pew. Do it alone, do it scared, but do it. There are lots of us ladies doing it too. Okay, you guys, well, I gotta get going soon, so we're gonna do one more 360 for y'all. And we're gonna get popping because it gets dark out there. Oh my God. Oh my God. That light is so cool. Oh my God, you guys. It is so beautiful. Look at this. See you next time. Thank you, God. Starting my GPS has to kind of not get lost in here. So I'll see you guys here in a bit. My tracks from earlier. Okay. Guys, we are back on the trail and we are heading back down. Gonna try my best to record but there really isn't much to look at except for just lots of snow around me. But I will try. We're gonna have enough time to stop by Lake Ann for a little bit and hang out over there. Should be fun. Hey you guys, Lake Ann is more like Frozen Ann currently. She's somewhere down there. Not entirely sure though. So you guys could see, ew, disgusting whitehead, whatever. I've only got 0.50 more miles left to go, and we are at the little ice field right now. So I'll take it very, very easy because I don't want to put on my my micro spikes because I'm only gonna have to take them off again up there. So I'm gonna go really slow, and I got a little stick. So wish me luck. Use back to the car, 44 more miles to go. I am Gandalf, the chosen one. You shall not pass. Like that. Hey guys, what's up? So we've got about 40.44 more miles to go, which is less than a mile. Got myself my Gandalf stick. And does anybody else role play? Like, I do too. Keeps the little kid inside me alive. Like, what's that guy's name from Harry Potter? Gandalf? You shall not pass. Shh. I know that I probably just gave some of you guys secondhand embarrassment. But I like to do silly things like that once in a while. That embarrass me because it reminds me of being a little kid. And I think it's very important. Just because we're getting older doesn't mean that we have to let that little kid inside of us die. You know what I mean? So I always try to make it a point to do really embarrassing things once in a while. And, you know, I think that you should too. Because it nurtures the little child inside of us. Damn, there's like lots of debris. I'm glad we're almost to the car though, because I didn't really eat breakfast. Anyways, I digress. Do embarrassing things for yourself once in a while. Highly recommend that. Anyways, the hike was spectacular. I mean, oh my God, my arm hurts. Gotta take a break. The hike was absolutely spectacular, you guys. I highly recommend it. The only shitty thing is that there was only 2 people that I saw the whole entire trail. And that was kind of sketchy because the trailheads that I normally go to, there's usually like more people, right? But there was like nobody here except for that lady that I bumped into when she was leaving and I was going up. And then another gentleman that I saw by Lake Ann. But he was going down too. I haven't seen anybody since. And it's like really quiet and really eerie. And I keep like looking at my surroundings, which is really important for any beginner hikers that are watching this. I really want to let you guys know, do not put your AirPods on a hike. Highly suggest not to do that. It is dangerous. You don't know who you might bump into. You don't know who might be following you. You don't know if you're being tracked by a predator. So just don't. Anyways, what was I saying? My brain's like always everywhere. Anyways, yes, a wonderful trail. Aside from that little thing, this trail was like a 9 out of 10. Spectacular views, not hard. During the summer, this is going to be a really beautiful hike. But I'm glad I checked it out and did it because there's nobody on it. Which again, could be a good thing or a bad thing. I think it just depends on your personal preference. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna start recording, and hopefully we're almost there. Okay, YouTube, so we are done with the hike. Proof. It was a great hike, you guys. We are just gonna start heading to the car now, and came out of that little hole, but we're gonna head to the car now, and yeah, it's a great little hike. It's like a little bathroom there. I'm not even gonna try to go there. I don't even like going to those bathrooms. I'd rather go in a bush. Anybody else prefer to go in a bush? Oh God, I always pray that my car hasn't been broken into. That would be so freaking tragic. So tragic. So there's like one car over there. Hey you guys, welcome back to the comfort of my own car. I never know where to stare at the little green dot on my iPhone or at myself. I feel a little bit more comfortable just staring at myself because I know what I'm, whatever. Anyway, so I hope you guys really enjoyed that hike along with me. I've never been to this area before, and I am so pumped. I am so excited to do more around this whole entire area. It was extremely beautiful. Aside from the eerie feeling that there wasn't a lot of people on the trail, I mean, I only saw 2 living souls, a lady and a guy. And then when I got to my car, when I was changing out my shoes into my sandals, I saw a guy. I don't know where he came from. He was probably at the moraine lake, but I was coming from the waterfall, which is probably why I didn't see him. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed I cannot talk. Blah, blah. I hope you guys enjoyed my special companion today, which everybody say hello to the whitehead, the pimple that I have not been able to leave alone. I've been fighting with it since like last night. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys truly enjoyed this video and the amazing views as much as I did. Okay, you guys, and so quickly, I also do want to say that on this channel, on my channel, I go on weekly hikes every single week, no matter if it's raining, no matter if it's super hot, or if it's snowing. I love hiking. I love nature. It's something that I'm really passionate about. So I hope that you guys come with me along more new adventures with me, and stay tuned for more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye. Take care.